So it's just coming up now to 9:40, and we've now got some wet snow falling, and it is starting to stick on the drive here. And as you can see there, when I zoom into the light, we have got quite a bit coming down. So like I say, it has really started coming down now, and you can really see it sticking on the pavements. The road's all right yet, but we'll see how it is in a little while. See, it's been snowing now probably 15 minutes, and look at the road here now. I will keep my eye on it, and probably will have a walk out in a bit and show you. Take a look at this, how it's coming down here now in the light. So it's been snowing now for probably about an hour, and I'm just going to have a quick look at what the main roads are like. It's like very fine snow at the moment, but it is sticking. I'd say we've got about a centimetre. So let's carry on and, excuse me, just head down to the main road, to Mount Road, and just have a quick look there. Look at the tyre marks there. Like I say, a good centimetre's fell, and it does feel very, very cold. Quite slippy underfoot as well. It's very fine snow, and temperature's quite cold as well. Look at the trees here. It's sticking on the branches and on the trunks there, and it's actually blowing under me umbrella a lot here as well. All the grass is covered. That road, nothing's been up it at all. Be interesting to see what the main road's like in a second when I get there. It was the first snowfall of 2025. We did have some snow last year, quite early. I think it was about late November, early December when we got that. So we are getting now to Mount Road. Like I say, it'll be interesting to see if that's covered in snow or whether the gritters have kept it open. Let's check it out for you. The answer to that question is right here now. It's covered in snow. Let's have a look. But still very, very passable. I don't think there's a great deal of traffic come up and down. And I don't know whether you can see how bad it is snowing in the light there. It's very, very windy. I'm having a job hold on to my umbrella there. So I am going to start heading back now. It's only a short walk tonight. Like I say, the wind is really, really bad, and I can't tell you how cold it is when that wind hits you. more sheltered down here. So I wonder what it's going to be like for tomorrow morning. I'll get up, I'll have a look, and hopefully I'll be able to do you a video in the morning of how different it is and how much snow's fell overnight. Like I say, it's been snowing for just over an hour. They do say we are going to get a lot of snow overnight, so it's going to be interesting tomorrow. See what the roads are like. Let's have a look at the trees there and the fields. They are getting covered. So I'm glad I've had a quick look tonight. Like I say, it's been a struggle because it is blowing it under the umbrella here on me. It's got really, really windy, so I hope that wind does calm down a little bit. And we'll see you tomorrow morning. So we've woke up this morning and really there's a lot of snow. We've had quite a bit of snow, I'd say, but it started really, really melting, as you can see as we drive down the road here. Look at the trees there. They look pretty spectacular. They say now they said the roads are going to be impassable. They're pretty good. So we'll just have a little walk to the end of the road here and just have a quick look at how much snow there is. It's not a lot at all. Like I've said, I thought last night when I went out for that walk there would be a lot more than there actually is. So the roads are, yeah, they're slippy, but they are quite passable. There's a bit of snow on the trees, but not a great deal really. So from what they were saying how bad it was going to be. We haven't really had a great deal at all. I've seen this road a lot worse at other times when they haven't said we're going to have as much.